Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Today, Vault of Civilizations takes you inside one of America's most secretive factories.
What we discovered inside this mega factory shocked our entire team. Millions of paper fibers arrive here every single day to become the world's next generation bottles.
Inside these giant machines, simple paper is transformed into an ultra-strong material designed to replace plastic.
Vault of Civilizations witnessed paper bottles being created in seconds using heat, pressure, and advanced automation.
A hidden waterproof barrier makes these paper bottles strong enough to safely hold drinks around the world. This American mega factory now produces millions of eco-friendly bottles for global brands every month.
Stay with Vault of Civilizations as we reveal the full industrial process behind the paper bottle revolution.
Vault of Civilizations begins deep inside the raw material section, where thousands of tons of recycled paper arrive daily. Every paper fiber is carefully prepared for the next stage of transformation.
Pressure and precision are critical inside this futuristic factory.
Vault of Civilizations discovered that every fiber is tested with incredible accuracy. Heat removes moisture and prepares the material for bottle shaping. The factory now begins turning paper into real bottle structures. Powerful hydraulic systems shape paper into perfect bottle forms. Heat and pressure create incredibly strong paper structures. For the first time, the bottles begin taking shape. Every bottle is refined with millimeter-level accuracy.
Vault of Civilizations discovered an enormous energy systems powering this stage.
Each bottle must survive intense durability testing. Separate molded parts are fused into a complete bottle body.
The scale of production inside this facility is unbelievable.
Clear.
Millions of bottles are produced here every single month.
Vault of Civilizations now reveals how these bottles become waterproof.
This secret layer allows paper bottles to safely hold liquids.
The barrier is thin, food safe, and environmentally friendly.
Advanced ultraviolet systems harden the protective surface instantly.
Without coating, paper fails within seconds.
Vault of Civilizations witnessed paper bottles surviving extreme leak tests.
Wow.
These eco bottles are engineered to handle real-world use. Even invisible imperfections are detected automatically. Every product must meet strict hygiene standards. Only perfect bottles continue through the factory.
Vault of Civilizations is now entering the design and branding section.
Industrial printers transform plain bottles into premium products.
Good match.
Sustainable inks keep the manufacturing process environmentally safe.
Every brand wants its paper bottle to stand out. Even the caps are engineered for eco-friendly performance. Paper packaging is quickly becoming the future of premium drinks.
This American facility combines human skill with advanced robotics.
Next, Vault of Civilizations enters the massive filling and packaging operation.
This is where paper bottles are prepared for real consumers.
Every drop is measured with incredible precision.
The production speed inside this factory is astonishing.
Seal good.
Perfect sealing prevents leaks during global shipping.
Vault of Civilizations discovered multiple layers of safety testing.
Every bottle receives full tracking and quality identification.
The factory is designed for maximum efficiency and sustainability.
Millions of paper bottles leave this facility every month.
Artificial intelligence controls nearly every movement here.
Vault of Civilizations now uncovers how paper bottles could help save the planet.
Plastic waste has become one of humanity's biggest environmental threats.
Unlike plastic, paper bottles can break down far more naturally. Factories rely on carefully managed renewable resources.
Innovation never stops inside this industry.
Future bottles may become even stronger and lighter. Demand for sustainable packaging is rising around the world.
Paper bottles are rapidly entering everyday life.
But the future of this technology may be even more incredible.
Vault of Civilizations now enters the future of manufacturing. Artificial intelligence is transforming industrial production forever. Factories continue pushing the limits of automation.
Enjoy.
Even premium industries are adopting sustainable packaging.
Many people are already joining this movement.
Vault of Civilizations witnessed one of the most advanced factories on Earth.
This is Vault of Civilizations, revealing the future of sustainable manufacturing inside America's paper bottle revolution.
Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Vault of Civilization. So in this documentary, Vault of Civilization took you deep inside one of the America's most advanced paper bottle mega factories. We revealed the complete transformation from mountains of recycled paper and wood pulp of high-speed modeling, waterproof coating, robot assembly, eco-friendly printing and global distribution. You witnessed how heat pressures and automation create a new generation of sustainable packaging designed to replace plastic. This is the future of manufacturing, clean, renewable and intelligent. For more information and for more videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting us. Until that time, see you in the next video.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.